Hello CoMo friends, today we're going to make pesto from all of the lovely herbs we had from our garden. Alright, well first let's set up this food processor to grate some Parmesan cheese. You need your base and you're going to need the feed chute. There's this column along the side that needs to line up with the dot that's on the base and it clicks. Click. Did you hear it? All right, next you need to add in the slinger. This goes down in the base. Just set it down in there. And your disc stem, this you have to kind of twist and turn. There's a specific way it goes in, but it should go all the way down. Next is the reversible shredding disc. One side will shred smaller than the other, so you decide which side you want. I'm going to choose the smaller side since this is Parmesan cheese. I want a fine shred. This also fits in there in a specific way, so you just twist it until it's flush with the chute. And then you add your chute cover. There is a little slanted base right there that kind of clicks into the chute base. Make sure it clicks or it's not going to turn on. All right, next you turn it on and we are going to shred the cheese. Oh wait, I guess I needed a bowl. Here, let's add the cheese, grate the cheese. Now this is just a small batch. I could have grated it by hand, but let me tell you, if you're doing a large batch of anything and you need to shred something, that grater is the best. So I'm making the pesto, I'm adding in the basil, adding in the cheese. I'm gonna use these sunflower kernels just because I like the taste of them. A little pinch of salt, some olive oil, and I usually add lemon, but I didn't have any today. So we're gonna add the olive oil in while the blender is on. You may have to give it a little stir. Add some water, add some olive oil. I kind of go back and forth until I get a consistency that's a nice, smooth puree. Give it a little taste. See if you need to add any more salt. All right, it's a nice creamy consistency, and now I'm just gonna add it to these silicone molds. I'm not gonna use all this pesto now, so the best way is to freeze it. So I'm just gonna add it in there. Well, I had some spaghetti squash, so I'm gonna add the pesto to some spaghetti squash, and look, here's my lunch. If you have extra pesto, you just freeze it, pop it out, label your bags, and store your little discs in the freezer till next time. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.